If you're looking for dog collars with metal buckle, here's a collection you've got to see. Top 10 most popular dog collars with metal buckle. Number 1, most popular, by Max and Neo Dog Gear. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, by Mighty Paw. Number 3, by Max and Neo Dog Gear. For more details about these dog collars products, just click this circle. Number 4, by Feliscanis. Number 5, by Coastal Pet. Find these dog collars with metal buckle at up to 70% off by clicking the circle in the corner. Number 6, by Got Personalized. Number 7, by Coastal Pet. Click the circle in the corner to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8, by Go Tags. Number 9, by Pet Bubba. Discover more dog collars with metal buckle ideas and items to explore, click the info circle. Number 10, by Ansi Hawk.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.